Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the UL error on your Whirlpool washer, don't worry. We're diving straight into what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it in 2025. This error can be a real headache, but with a few simple steps, you could have your washer spinning smoothly again in no time. First off, let's break down what the UL error actually means. UL stands for unbalanced load. It's your washer's way of saying that the clothes inside aren't distributed evenly, which can cause the machine to vibrate excessively or even stop mid-cycle. This safety feature prevents damage to your appliance and your home. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. One is overloading the washer. Cramming in too many clothes makes it impossible for them to balance properly. Another culprit could be an uneven load, like washing a bunch of heavy towels with lighter items. Sometimes, it's due to mechanical issues, such as worn-out suspension rods, a faulty lid switch, or even a clogged drain pump that's throwing things off balance. Alright, let's get to the fixes. Start by opening the washer and redistributing the load manually. Make sure the clothes are spread out evenly around the drum. If it's overloaded, remove some items to lighten the load. Next, check for any obstructions. Clear out lint or debris from the drain filter or pump. Once that's done, try resetting the washer by unplugging it for a minute, then plugging it back in and running a test cycle. If the error persists, it might be time to inspect for deeper issues. Look at the leveling feet under your washer. Ensure the machine is sitting level on the floor. You can use a spirit level for this. If you're not comfortable with that, or if nothing seems to work, call a professional technician to avoid any risk of injury or further damage. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle the UL error on your Whirlpool washer. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter and not overloading can prevent this in the future. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.